Hello guys, good morning. Introduce, my name is Sahat Mangido Ginting Suka. In this video, I will review a tool and gigs. First, I will review a tool that is a screwdriver. We must be familiar with this thing. Yes, this screwdriver function as opening and screw fastener that are for your equipment. For example, for use electronic equipment for furniture or for workshop. This screwdriver can be removed and installed again. On this part of the holder is made of plastic and the trunk is made of steel, and this back part is made of plastic too. The hole in the of the holder is hexagon shape, and the black part is also hexagon shape. So both of them is suitable. Can be removed and installed again. This screwdriver is multifunctional, has two different ends in shape. The first end is plus shape and the second end is minus shape. Both ends have different function. Plus shape end function as opening and screw fastener plus shape screw, like this. So both of them suitable. And the minus end it function to the minus screw, like this. So both of them suitable. And second, I will review a gauge that is a protractor. We are so familiar with this thing because we often use it in drawing angle and measuring angle. This protractor is semicircle shape, and this protractor is made of plastic and transparent. The numbers are black and red, so it's easy to see. I will show you how to use this protractor. For example, we want to draw a 45-degree angle. First, place the protractor at 0 point. And look for number 45 and mark. Then pull the line to 0 point. Yes, we have finished drawing it. And to measure angle, for example, we want to find out what this angle. The way is, first place this protractor at 0 point. Then find a line this is in contact with the scale. Yes, it is 30-degree angle. I guess that all I can say. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.